Hello, so I thought this might be a useful video to make for some people in regards to how exactly I've noticed on many occasions people are basically not understanding how different it can be to try and rank in different niches. This could be, for example, differences between ranking in health, this could be differences between tech, this could be differences in search engine optimization niche, or any niches from local, national, international, Google Maps. You have basically differences in each niche. This means in simple terms the idea that you can apply, one system, one process to every single niche is almost completely impossible to apply all over. Now we have things which can apply to all sites, for example, purposes, fast load times important in all niches, quality backlinks are important, good on page. We could apply these sort of things to any site in the world, more or less, but we also have to be aware of, in regards to certain niches, if we're in a niche, for example, purposes, let's just say it has no backlinks. That's just ranking the first. So why is it good? Could it be ranking it's got no backlinks attached? It's just basically got a quality site. It could simply be that, or it could simply be the age of site. The age of site itself can be used as a ranking factor in some cases, or it could simply be it was just basically presenting content which Google thinks is valuable. They're getting click through rates, they're getting all that sort of stuff. So you can, in some cases, it's not that likely now to have a site ranking purely with no backlinks, but it can happen in an occasional amount of times. But just because that works in one niche or in a small amount of sites, it doesn't mean it's going to apply ever. You have differences depending on the quality of the site, the age of the site, the quality link building done, and many other factors. So you can't apply, one set rule to every site. It depends on each niche. So always be aware of these things when you're trying to work out what ranks. You have to do research on every single site you're trying to rank for, or your client is. As an example here, just to make one simple, let's just say two competitors are local business. It doesn't really matter what example they are here, and let's just say they have in total 20 reference domains purely coming from directory sites or citations. So we both got 20, we got 5 just general backlinks as well. So in total, we could say it's got 25 links. Just make it simple, 25 links. So what does that mean if we're going to try and outrank them? Well, it means in theory, if they only got 25 links, then in theory, if they've got 20 reference domains, if we got to say 22 reference domains, our backlinks go from 25 links to say 30, our on page is better in theirs. Let's just say, for example purposes, both the sites take, say, for example purposes, say 4 seconds to load. 4 seconds load, okay. If we can make our one load at, say, 2 seconds, that means in theory we should outrank them quite easy. If our on page is right, we've presented the right information to Google, we got our stuff indexed okay. That is a simplified terms of how you can outrank someone in a little niche. But like always, it depends on, of course, the age of your site, it depends on the click through rate and many other factors. But that's the simple ways you can understand. You have to compare each site on the sort of an individual level to see how easy it will be for you to rank as niche. This includes doing research into how many backlinks you got, the quality backlinks. This includes the age of the site. This includes the quality of the content. This includes how good quality your images. Anything which you think itself provides value to a site visitor or value to a search engine, you should basically try and use that to allow you to try and work out what exactly is going to allow you, if you want to rank in this niche or another niche, how to outrank them. For example, if you're going to try and outrank a really high competitive site, then you will, in simple terms, need a bigger budget than compared to a local business which might not have any funding or very little funding to basically do search engine optimization processes or search engine ways to basically improve ranking, such as quality link building, such as good quality style on the site, good quality images, good quality ways to click through to things, good quality title tags, and all the rest of it. And that's just a simplified way to explain it. So if you're going to be doing a certain site, try your best and do good research. Don't just jump into it and think it's going to work. You would have to basically do your research into it to try and work out what exactly is going on in regards to whatever niche you're trying to rank for or a client's trying to rank for. If you don't know how to do it, I would strongly recommend you pay someone to do it for you. It will save you a lot of time if you don't have the skills or you simply don't have the time to do it yourself. Anyway, that's all the video. Thanks and have a good weekend. Bye.